Hi, I'm Dr. Lisa Thompson of drlisamthompson.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 of my best tips when it comes to structuring bonuses for your affiliate offers that will help you make more sales with speed, pleasure, and ease. Before we get into the training, I want you to make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do it in one of 2 ways. You can either click on the little badge you see in the lower right-hand corner of your screen that says subscribe, or you can go to drlisamthompson.com/subscribe. I create content on almost a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Now, before we get into the training, let me start off by asking you a question. Do you remember those Sports Illustrated commercials after somebody wins, that sports team wins a big championship like the World Series, the Super Bowl, the Stanley Cup, or the NBA Finals? Immediately after that, you see on the on these commercials, they used to air them all the time before the internet became very popular. They would have what are called these championship packages. And what Sports Illustrated did is they went in and they just offered a ton of bonuses to people who really, if this was their team that won the championship, they went in and they structured a bonus offer so that people would subscribe to their magazine. So people would get things like a football or a basketball with the team logo. They would get like a special commemorative hardbound copy of the issues that talked about their team throughout the whole season. They might offer like a special hoodie or a t-shirt that goes along with it. And maybe an autographed baseball or an autographed football or something to that effect. And then they would spend about 90% of their promotion in commercial all talking about the bonuses. And then they would say, if you want these bonuses, then all you need to do is subscribe to Sports Illustrated, and you pay only like 50 cents an issue. And people would be subscribing to Sports Illustrated left and right. And they weren't even paying attention to how much it would cost for the subscription. They wanted the bonuses. Why was that so popular of an ad for Sports Illustrated? Well, we can take lessons from this. And what they did were 3 things, and you can use these 3 things as well in your home business. First, it has to be valuable. It has to have a high perceived value. So when you look at that Sports Illustrated example that I told you, for them to get like a hardcover commemorative with all the magazine articles in there about their favorite team, or getting that autographed, getting the autographed football or baseball with all the players signing it, that has a very high perceived value. The second thing that they did is that it's unique. Each package that they did is unique to the team. So they had something different for the Super Bowl champs, for the they had it for the Stanley Cup, they had it for the NBA, and they had it for the World Series. So the second thing is besides being valuable, it needs to be unique. Okay, so everything was unique. It's different. And that's something that's important too when you're structuring your bonuses. The third thing that Sports Illustrated did is it was relevant. Okay, so when they offered this package, they offered it to just, that it really was to the fans of those who really liked the winning team, and they didn't put anything else in with that bonus. So everything in that bonus was strictly to that team. So for example, if the Dallas Cowboys won the Super Bowl, that bonus had nothing but Dallas Cowboys. They didn't put anything in there like the Los Angeles Lakers. Okay, so what does this mean for you as the home business owner? Well, first, you want to make sure that your bonus is valuable. So what could be perceived as a higher value when you're offering a bonus? Would it be a checklist for your first Facebook ad? Or would it be having a Facebook group, a private Facebook group where they have access to you and you're giving them additional training and tutorials on really how to build a business using Facebook ads? Usually the Facebook group is going to have a much higher perceived value. Or if you were going to bundle a training together, maybe you did a special webinar with your group. Maybe you want to take that webinar and convert it and have it like a PDF transcript as well as an audio transcript as well. And you could bundle that together because the audio or a video is going to have a higher perceived value than an ebook. The second thing is it has to be unique. A lot of times when people offer bonuses, what they will do in their home business is they'll search for private label rights products. And then what they do is they don't make any changes to the private label right product. So if you don't know what a private label right product is, that's where you buy the rights to use a product that has already been created, like a video, an audio, or a checklist or an ebook. And so the challenge with that is that people will offer that same thing and they don't turn it and make it unique and relevant to them. Where when you want to make it unique, you want to make it where your brand is standing out, how you can help them. Okay? So another way of making that unique could be maybe you're going to offer some private coaching, okay? Or a done-for-you service. I knew of a very good friend of mine who rank advanced in an affiliate program she was promoting, and what she did as part of that promotion, there was a done-for-you blog as part of the membership she was selling. And so what she said is the first 10 people who take advantage of my offer, I will set up your blog for you. So that was a very unique offer, and she wound up rank advancing. Now the third way of doing it is making sure that your offer is relevant. So that means, you're not going to sell steak to a vegan. So in your home business, you want to be thinking about, if you're offering a Facebook course, you want to make sure that your bonuses are centered around Facebook. Maybe you're going to have like a video you're going to offer them that will make sure they stay out of Facebook jail or their Facebook account doesn't get shut down. Or strategies on how to build a highly responsive Facebook group. You're not going to sit there and give them additional, a big training on Snapchat or giving them a Google AdWords training. That's not relevant to the bonuses. Did you find this helpful today? If you did, I want you to leave a comment and share. And let's do a quick review again. Number one, your bonuses, need to be unique. They need to have value, and they need to be relevant. When you stick with this, you're going to wind up making more sales than you thought possible. Now, if you got value today, leave a comment and share. And if you would like to know more about the system that I use to get more leads for my business, and this system also has wonderful bonuses that are unique, relevant, and highly valuable to your audience. This system does it all for me, and I really don't have to worry too much about crafting a lot of them because it really does focus on helping home business owners really build their brand to get more leads, reps, and customers for their business on a part-time basis. To get a hold of that system, I have a free 40-minute video that gives you all the details. All you need to do is go to drlisamthompson.com/system, enter in your best email address, and I'll send that video over to you right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.